Alright, welcome to Blow Stuff Up, episode 3. Last time we blew up a water bottle without duct tape and stuff. It was pretty cool because we shot it, and it started like spinning and stuff, so that was pretty cool. This time, it's going to be pretty loud. We have a Gatorade bottle filled with laundry detergent and some leftover Gatorade. So, this time, we're going to do the same thing. We may shoot it. We're not sure if it's gonna blow up on contact.
We're gonna shoot it.
If we shoot it, yeah, it's gonna be sick. Yeah. All right, let's do it. Ready?
Slow.
Can't spin it though.
You don't hear it.
Again! It's freezing!
Ah!
It's a bad one! It's done! Okay, zoomy. Run. Run, why run, you know? That's what I say. Oh, crap!
I don't think this is a bad idea.
It's gonna be so loud, dude.
Should I go shoot
I'm
it?
scared. No. Yeah, shoot it, go.
Caroline, I want to
No,
take
dude,
one
look,
shot.
it's about to blow up.
Yeah, I want to take one shot.
Yeah,
Wait.
dude, it's freaking up.
Holy crap.
Oh no. Look at this.
Pump it.
I did.
Oh my god!
Oh, the gun is ruined.
Did we really leave the gun?
We left the gun. Holy crap. Yay.
If you want my opinion, use green Gatorade with laundry detergent and then shoot it.
Go look at the Gatorade.
It went,
Oh my god.
it literally went 50 feet in the air. It was sick. Dude.
Did you see how high that went?
No, I didn't hear it. I just heard it.
Oh, Dad, it went all the way up to this. It went 60 feet high.
It blew out the bottom.
Okay, that's the end of it.
Gatorade, I mean, laundry
Look at
detergent.
where he shot
Laundry
it.
detergent.
I didn't
Gatorade,
even
when
shoot
we
it.
shot
It did that
went-
itself.
The thing went up
Dang.
about 60 feet high.
Oh, you didn't even shoot it?
No, I didn't shoot it.
That's awesome.